Good morning. I'm about to take us a little ride down to Key West real quick. Pretty friggin' is it cold outside?
It's cold as hell.
Man, freaking cold as fuck out here, but
Hey, man.
you know. Everybody ready to roll out? About to get it started.
This is Lake Placid.
Yeah, we stopped in
Lake Placid.
Lake Placid. Beautiful while got some fuel, something to eat. And then hopefully our next stop will be on 75. This morning when we took off, the weather, it was cold, right?
Wasn't cold.
It wasn't cold?
Who?
You wasn't cold?
Me?
Yeah. You got heated greeps, heated seat. He got a AC and a heater unit on his bike, talking about it wasn't cold. Well, some of us here, we was cold. We're gonna keep pushing, see where we end up next. Everybody had a great holiday season, but we took some time out of ours to take a trip down to Key Largo. Steve, Rob, and I. It was a great ride. A little bit cold at times in the morning when we left out. It was cold and there was fog on the road, so we didn't get a lot of footage. There wasn't a lot of bikes out either, except for that one pack that we passed up. But we took a ride down 27 from Haines City all the way out to Key Largo, and I think that was the best way to do it. Back roads of Florida, light on the traffic. It's just great to take a break from the interstate system. Also remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. I appreciate the support from everybody who has been supporting me this far. Just kick back, crack open a cold one, and enjoy the video. Everything on this trip wasn't recorded. We got down to Key Largo, had a good time, had a ball, and wasn't going to be carrying a camera around to record that, but I did put most of the ride and try to make it as best as I can. You guys let me know, see what I can do to improve as well, and I appreciate the help and support again. Thank you. show the second gas stop of the day. Got Steve filling up right now. Starting to warm up. Starting to warm up pretty good outside.
Ah, damn, that was $10, bro. For 3 fucking gallons.
For what? How many?
3 fucking gallons.
Damn.
Fuck Joe Biden.
Gas prices is ridiculous nowadays. You want to ride, you got to pay for it, man. I said you want to ride, you got to pay for it. Yeah. I think we've only made it, what, about 180 miles so far?
Something like that.
Wait, the hotel's in Key Largo, right?
I think.
If it's in Key Largo, it's hour 40 minutes to go. So where we are, look, this is us right here, 997. Literally, we're less than 5 miles from 997, right down there.
Yeah, we turning on.
Yep. So we making progress, man. We making progress. State of Florida would not be complete without some traffic. We made it down to Key Largo. Got Big Smitty on the gold wing. I don't know whose bike this is. You got Steve on the shadow. Surrounded by Hondas. Check out real quick. Everybody out having a good time. Just that type of day.
Oh shit. Fuck you, Colonel.
the ride, and sometimes it's about the destination. On a morning like this, it's about both. People you got, people you don't got, man. People you've lost in your life, people who love you. You get to experience this.
Peace.